In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the Meta pixel tracking code on GoHighLevel funnels. Now, GoHighLevel funnels are in two versions, right? So first of all, there's the funnel builder under sites and funnels. You can build funnels here. Secondly, there's the AI Studio as well, where AI builds funnels for you and you can set up tracking and pixels and all that stuff. When it comes to installing code, this is fairly simple. So we can go to settings and do it, but how do we do it for AI Studio? So I'm going to show you how to do it on here and AI Studio as well. But first, let's go to the pixel. So we will go to business.facebook.com. We will go to the Meta Business Suite. And then from there, we will go to our business portfolio settings. So we will click on this gear icon, and then we will basically, if there's a two-factor authentication enabled, we will get the code and we will try to log in that way. Let me do that. Okay, there we go. So once it's verified, it will let me in to the business portfolio settings, and we will go to data sources and datasets and pixels. Now I've got a lot of pixels here, so you can either create a new pixel or you can use an existing one if you have it. So I'll just use any of these existing ones, right? So I'll just go to HVAC dataset and let me navigate to a sub account. So let's use this sub account as an example. Now we will click on Events Manager because this is where we will get the pixel tracking code. There we go. So this pixel is on our Events Manager now. Now we will find where it says Manage Integration. Sometimes if it's an older pixel, you will not see the Install Pixel Code button here. Since it's an old pixel, it's not giving me that option. So that's why I need to find Manage Integrations. Click on it and then go to Meta Pixel, Manage, Install Pixel on a new website. And then we will see if there's another option, add metapixel code yourself. Yes, I want to do that. So this is the code. So copy it. And now I will go to one of my funnels. All right. So let's go to this funnel. Let's say this is the funnel I'm using to run meta ads, right? So I'll send meta ad traffic to this. When you are installing the code, you need to make sure that there's a valid domain or subdomain connected to this funnel. Right now, as you can see, I have a valid subdomain connected. And now I will go to settings, and then here I will basically put the pixel code. Right now, I already have my pixel code installed, and I'll hit save. So this is how you do it on the funnels under sites, right? So that's the regular way of building funnels. But there's a new way now, which is the AI Studio. So how do we connect Meta Pixel to AI Studio? This is even simpler. So we will go to our AI Studio. Let's say we want to connect our pixel to this project. Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share with you my school community where if you join, you'll get to ask me questions about issues that you're facing on GoHighLevel, automation, ads, AI, vibe coding, any of that stuff. If I show you the classroom, it's packed with courses on Google Ads, Meta Ads, GoHighLevel, agency. It has resources like prompts, SOPs, onboarding documents. We have courses on Claude Code, vibe coding, AI Studio, and all that stuff. Also, these courses are updated on a regular basis. I check the recent trends all the time and update any courses if necessary. Moving on to the calendars area, we have a couple of live calls every week. First one is on Tuesdays. This is a weekly Q&A where you can join live on Zoom and ask me questions about any issues you're facing directly. The other one is the weekly coaching session. We are covering specific topics every week where you get to join live and ask me questions while I'm covering that topic. With that said, if you're looking for a community where you get constant support for your agency or your business or your marketing profession, depending on which field you're in, this is the community you're looking for. So once you join, we'll speak soon. And now let's get back to the video. Now, if I want to install the Meta Pixel code to this funnel, which has only one page, but we can create more pages, I have covered how to build funnels and websites using AI Studio. You can find them on my channel. If you want to now connect your pixel code to this funnel, what you have to do is you'll just say install this pixel code on all the pages in this project. That's it. And then now the AI Studio will go ahead and install it. You don't have to do anything. Because it's AI, it's got access to our whole project. It's created our project for us. And now it's going to update that code in that project. If you ask me, why do we need to install the Meta Business Code? We'll just hit next and we'll turn it on and then done. If you ask me, why are we doing that? It will help you do retargeting campaigns. Because I don't recommend setting up conversion tracking with the pixel code because that gets missed sometimes because of the iOS updates, obviously. We do conversion tracking using Conversions API. Again, videos on Conversions API is on my channel as well. You can find it and you can learn how to set it up if you don't know it already. But if you install the Meta Pixel tracking code on your website, it will help you retarget. So for those who visited the page but did not submit the form or they did not take an action on the website, you can retarget them and do another campaign only for them. And pixel tracking code installation is a way of doing that. So once that's done, you'll make sure that AI Studio has confirmed that the pixel code is installed, and you'll hit publish, and that's it. This is how we install Meta Business Code, Meta Pixel Tracking Code on GoHighLevel funnels, whether it's AI Studio or the regular funnel builder. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.